Okay, my name is Stacy Rivera. I am a math teacher at Waubonsee Valley High School out in Aurora, Illinois. And this is my final project for YouTube in the classroom with EdTech Team Online. I'm just going to share a few things that I learned and things that I was challenged by learning more about YouTube. So, some benefits to using YouTube. Number one is that it is free. It's free for our students, it's free for teachers, and that it's also very easy to use. I also think the benefit for us using it as educators is that students are already using YouTube and watching videos constantly. So, they're already used to using it. We might as well start using it as well. Some of the features that I thought were very helpful. Um, there are already so many lessons, uh, especially people looking for flipped classroom ideas. There's a lot of lessons already on YouTube for math, at least, and so many resources. I think just looking through and watching some of the videos, these are some of the people that I have started following. That I can also get a lot of ideas just by looking at some of the stuff that they've created and how they teach things and how they word different concepts. Um, why should students have access? I just think that students being able to use um, YouTube enhances student engagement. I think that kids can get a little bit more excited about the content, about the material, about the lesson when they can watch a video maybe introducing it, or they can watch the lesson through a video and be able to pause it and write down notes or rewind it and re-listen to it. I think they become more engaged. I think they can learn the material better and um, get a better grasp on it to ask better questions later. And lastly, how will I use YouTube? I have just started experimenting a little bit with flipped classrooms, and I've had good feedback from my students on it. I think that they actually have enjoyed the idea of being able to watch me teach a short video or lesson and then be able to come in and do homework and ask questions and get more one-on-one help. They really like that idea. And so as a lower level teacher, for my students to be excited about something is just something that doesn't happen every day. So I do plan on using YouTube as I experiment with flipping my classroom. And that's it. Thank you.